This is a 2020 Gore 2-horse slant load gooseneck. It's got some added features such as an electric jack with a battery with a trickle charger, spare tire mounted on the nose. The dressing room has 2 feet added to it, so it has a 5-foot short wall. Your saddle racks can go to the rear of the trailer. Blanket bar, lots of bridle hooks up front. Nice nose, and a wooden boot box. This box opens up for storage. It's got a clothing rod and a crank out camper mat. Little brush tray. Here are the light switches for your dressing room and interior horse lights. Rubber mats on the floor. And a walk-through door to the horse area. So for those of you that like to camp in your trailer, there's that walk-through door. There's a screen door here on the dressing room. You've got an escape door at the first horse that includes a drop-down window at the second horse as well. Padded breast bar here at horse number 1. Got 2 pop-up vents in that trailer. The Gore is a steel chassis, aluminum frame, and aluminum skin with a fiberglass roof. You've got full-length running boards, diamond-plated running boards, diamond plate across the fender. Again, 2 drop-down windows in the horse area. Double rear doors with a rubber bumper. Got a folding rear tack, so you can have that in there with it. Those saddle racks can move to the back, or you can take that out and fold it up. Gore's a fiberglass roof, which is extremely cool on hot days. It's cooler than aluminum. Got nice size windows on the butt, sliding windows, slam latch on that padded divider. And this trailer's gonna have a wooden floor. Treated wooden floor under rubber mats. 50/50 rear doors, load light, folding rear tack. This trailer does have 2 extra feet in the dressing room, making it a 5-foot short wall. Gore uses a galvanized steel wheel. So steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, fiberglass roof, and wooden floor. The stripes on this trailer are black. 2020 2-horse slant load gooseneck, an electric jack, 6,000-pound axles on this trailer, and if I remember correctly, the trailer weighs just over 4,000 pounds. You can see that in my specs. The trailer is located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the photos and specs at www.trailercountryllc.com.